Thokozani, this is Kokotablamazi in Tizogamatsibula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome to the family, guys. And those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Thank you so much. Today I want us to talk about dating a spiritually gifted girl or woman, like good data indombatane le spiritually gifted, or good data indombatane le inobizo, or who have already answered their calling. So guys, like, I want us to talk about the pros, the cons of dating such a person, and then what you can expect from that particular person, and how does that particular person behave. We're gonna talk about the behavior, yes, and everything concerning the relationship. So guys, let's get started. You guys know that first of all, dating a spiritually gifted person is not easy, let alone a woman is not easy. So like ngifuna sikhulume ngani ngentombatane le spiritually gifted, and then iphethwe makhehla, lephethwe makhehla. Those of you who don't understand that, I'll be happy to answer your questions. So kudatana nilona nentombatane or nemfati lo phethwe makhehla. Dating a traditional healer is not easy, guys. So naga phethwe makhehla, what can you expect? So okay, what I can say is that Guti, like, if you are dating such a woman or such a girl, what you can expect is that first of all, it won't be easy, cause lo muntu loyo uphethwe makhehla, so i-behavior yakhe change. Yebo mfati, but i-behavior yakhe inebudodza kakhulu, like ubehave kakhulu njengendoda unlike mfati. So kudependa nangakhona ukuthi lelo langa u-inhabitwa ngibani, lelo langa ngiliphi ikhehla lelivelako kuye. So sometimes uthotha loyo muntu kuvele lidlotile lendoda lelithandza, let me say uvele likhehla lelithandza kubhema. So that means that week uyoba bhema, or maybe uvele likhehla lebe lingathandzi kugeza lesa sikhathi lelisaphila. So you find that ukuthi in that month or that day akagezi, or like uyahlangahlangana. So sometimes uthola ukuthi kuvela likhehla lelithandzako, uthola ukuthi uba skuni, uba neat, and then sometimes kuvela likhehla le strict, uthola ukuthi lelo bele strict, lingafuni nonsense, lingafuni tinto letibheke eceleni. So nakuvele such an ancestor, like le behavior yakhe vele change, ubehavior kufana naleli khehla lelo likhathi lisaphila. So uyoba skuni, uyothetha if there's something lengekho endleleni, like ingakabekwanga kahle or something la ngayivisisi, so uyoba athetha naye, like that person will be shouting during that that week or that month or those few months, like uyoba strict too much. So what you need to know, like, if udatana ni traditional healer, that's a woman, but uphethwe makhehla, ombethwe makhehla, these are the things that you should be expecting. These are the things that you should know. Okay, nasekusona, that means okay, sekuvele likhehla sibani, or lekhehla lelithandzako, or lekhehla lelithandza iwayini, or lekhehla lelithandza lithandza ini mukhodu. you understand. So even nalo kudla loyo muntu ayobe akudla during those process, like kuyachange. So uyambona nyalo uthanda into etisona in even nan ngiyakubona kudla ne even ne-attire, sometimes uhambe naye to go shopping with that particular person, uthole ukuthi nakangena esitolo uhamba uye esayidini lemadoda, esayidini le isection yemadoda, umthole like unabela tindo temadoda. Like, I don't know if I make sense, but like those are the things that you're going to experience with that particular person. So you need to understand them, you need to know them. That's why like you if you're dating such a person, like you you need to take time, you need to take time to get to know them. um you take time to know them and be I don't know, like be patient, ube nesineke with them. So umfati or a girl that is lombethwe makhehla, these are the things that you can expect, because akusimnanzi like in a way kubhlungu, because bafati labanjalo ba more like ba dominator. You cannot control them most of the time, like bayahlupha, like they want things done their way most of the time, cause bambethwe makhehla. So it's not easy, guys. And then mind you, with this type of things, sometimes even with their appearance, if now we like I don't know, like you've been patient enough and then you know them and everything, utobana ukuthi hayi man namuhla, like this person is not the same. Like noma umbuka ebusweni, if you know your person you know your woman, utobana ukuthi hayi man namuhla ebusweni uchangile, this is not the person that I know. Like uyachange even nasebusweni, like the nakuvela leli likhehla na, like even the appearance iyachange kancane ifana nalelo likhehla. And then sometimes ube ngathi uguge kakhulu, sometimes abe ngathi uncane kakhulu. So kuyadependa ukuthi kuvele bani. Sometimes kuvela nenkosazana, maybe unagogo loyi-1 lokho olwebeka muhle, and then atithanza, so naye during that process naselivelile livele kahle, like ubehave akufana na that gogo, cause that gogo ube avelile and then uyena tindo ngendlela yakhe, and then now utomangala uthi hawu nomhla what's happening ngawe, kwenzakalani. But akusinguye, it's that particular ancestor that has taken place, you understand. So guys, like dating a spiritually gifted woman or girl, these are the things that you need to know and understand. Have patience and take time to know your person, cause akolula, it's not easy, you guys. And then sometimes man lo muntu uyangitshintshela and everything, and you find out ukuthi no, akakutshintsheli, kusuke kungilelo dloti lelimphethe that particular time. So you need to get to know madloti akhe, you need to have patience, cause akukholula guys, akukholula. As long as you understand ukuthi lo muntu lona unebantu labadzala, I think that ne relationship yenu, you are gonna prosper, you're gonna move forward, and then yeah, tinto titohlangana, because uto khona beketelela, uto khona ku understand ukuthi okay fine, akusinguye, it's lamadloti seyasuke afikile, so I know should not do such a thing, or njani, you understand. So but like get to know your the person that you currently dating that is spiritually gifted. And then I wish you guys all the best, and then I'm gonna do a part 2 about this topic so that you guys can understand it more. You can understand it more. So yes, thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi in Stay blessed.